Hello Rajiv. Many happy returns of the day. Today on this special occasion, we have created a short video for you wherein the people who love and care for you have something to say to you. Most of them have said really awesome things about you, like Rajiv is so loving, he's caring, he's so patient, he's full of humor. Wait, you think I'm bragging? Well, it's not bragging if it's true. This video is going to lit you up. How do I know it? Well, I am not going to say it. Sit back and enjoy the video. Hope you love it.
अरे जोशुआ के बापू कहाँ करत हो?
अरे हम पैसा गिन रहे हैं।
कहाँ किसने दिए?
अरे वो राजीव का बर्थडे है ना,
हाँ
उसकी बीवी ने भव्या ने हमको थोड़े पैसे दिए उसके बारे में कुछ अच्छा बात करने के लिए।
कहाँ तुम तो घूस लेत हो?
अरे घूस छोड़ो, सब 10-10 के नोट दिए और ये सब चिल्लर भी दिया है।
अरे रे
अभी इतने पैसे में हम क्या बात करेंगे?
अभी देख बोल ही दो।
अभी राजीव के बारे में क्या कहें, सारा गांव जानता है राजीव कितना भला इंसान है। वो कितना बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है, बहुत अच्छा बाप है, बहुत अच्छा बेटा है, बहुत अच्छा पति है, बहुत अच्छा भाई है। और इसके ज्यादा क्या बोले इतने पैसे।
हाँ राजीव तो बहुत दिल का अच्छा है, हमको बहुत पसंद है।
पसंद है?
हाँ वैसे तुम यहाँ कहाँ करत हो?
अरे हम बहुत काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रहे हैं हम।
कहाँ काम?
अरे हम तो बकरियां चरा रहे हैं।
कौन हो बकरिया?
यहाँ
To begin with, his beautiful soul, and then of course there's a long list, and so I'll just tell you to begin with his soul and to end it with his beautiful wife.
Wow. Bhavya is going to love this.
He's witty. Wittiness makes him awesome. Definitely wittiness.
Your simplicity and humbleness towards everyone makes you an awesome person, and your attitude and your dedication towards attitude makes you an awesome person, and last but not the least, you are Rhythm's friend, which makes you an awesome person.
Three golden mantras of Rajiv's life: Chalse, Hause and Pause make Rajiv so awesome.
That you're like the Google of electronics, and most important, you're Kia's dad and my brother and Pratik's brother-in-law.
Memory with Rajiv. Too many memories.
See, it's tough, right?
But I vividly remember the first time I was amazed by Rajiv.
Mm-hmm.
We were at Cafe Coffee Day at Chopati, where there was this phone and he changed the entire OS of the phone and he could do it by himself, and I was like, oh my god, how do you do that? And
Who is this guy?
And who is this guy? कौन छे कि मारा करता बता थोड़ी technology knowledge. So yeah, I clearly remember that moment of shock for me, and I was like, आना साथे अपनी जान से.
Well, I remember lots of memories, not vividly, but clearly, and how much our time we have spent together, it's been a memory. So I cannot spot any one memory.
But spot one memory.
Spot one memory. I guess all those breakfasts and or teas that we had in harmony.
Yeah,
Together.
even I remember those.
I first joined the BPO industry. I think he's the first person I met in the first team I went in. So we know each other from a long time, and it's been a long way. My memories about him have always been about fun. We have always had a lot of fun. It's been more like, we would probably go out frequently for movies, every day idli vadas, then dinners, midnight buffets, lunches, and I think we would probably catch up every day, almost every day. So that's the kind of memory I have, and I think it's a really cherished memory.
The following series of videos has been recorded with me in an extremely jet-lagged state. So Rajiv, you'd better bloody appreciate this. Well, when it comes to you, Rajiv, there is only one memory that instantly pops into my head whenever someone says your name or I think about you. And it's not a specific incident that occurred, but it's that half smile, furrowed brow look that you have on your face no matter what is happening in the world. Whether it's the most horrific, deadly thing to happen or the happiest moment of your life, you are completely unflappable. And I have never seen anyone quite like you.
Those classes.
There are a lot of memories with Rajiv. ऐसा कुछ ऐसा specific, इतना कुछ specific है?
है ना, specific है watching Savarya on the Diwali day, and that too watching Savarya in stall.
Would be of the 1992 World Cup. It was a match between England and South Africa, and a few 15-20 minutes of play was lost due to rain. The scoreboard read South Africa need some 22 runs off 13 balls. Then it came to 8 balls and eventually 1 ball. And the way Rajiv cried, OMG, you would not believe it. He cried for a stupid reason, and I wish I had a camera then to capture him on a video.
Rajiv, in my private moment, the only song that comes to my mind that I can dedicate to you is Chalu Ho Jao.
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
बस 1 मिनट.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, छोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
Hey, Bhavya, not fair. Even I wanted this question. And which is I'll dedicate one. Okay, now finally my dedication. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद रखेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
तारों ने चमन से तुझको है पयाम भेजा, फूलों ने गगन से तुझको ये पयाम भेजा. ओ दुआ करे खुदा करे है शौक तुझको, आए तो कयामत आए फूलों की तरह महकाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Rajiv Shah, happy birthday to you.
जाने क्यों दिल जानता है तू है तो I'll be alright, I'll be alright. The one question which India wants to know, Rajiv, is when are you going to buy your next phone? Ashton wants to know, I want to know, Bhavya wants to know, your Dhobi wants to know, your Bai wants to know, everybody in this world wants to know, the cow, the dog, the cat, everybody wants to know, when, Rajiv, are you going to buy your next phone?
When are you coming to the United States?
Oh, that you can ask me, I know. The answer, it is never.
My question to you is, what was your first thought when you woke up this morning?
Every human being in his lifetime, aims to something, needs to pursue something. So yes, Rajiv, what is it like? What is it that you're looking for? Have you ever got it? Did you ever get it? If you have got it, then let us know what is it. And if you are pursuing it, please also let us know what it is.
What makes our friendship so unique? I mean, which quality do you like about our friendship? Because in no time we have become such a good friends.
What is something about you that you hope will change but never will?
How many times in a day do you look at yourself in the mirror?
Why have you been copying my haircuts and hairstyles since past 1.5 years?
To the all-time topper of the category, Daya. अरे तुम कर कैसे लेते हो यार? डाया बेटा, डाया पोता, डाया पति, डाया डैडी, सब डाया डाया डाया. अरे हमसे भी कभी टिप्स शेयर किया करो यार. How do you manage to manage everybody यार? It is so very tough. हम कितना भी कर ले यार, हम तो हमेशा गाली ही गाते हैं. अगर अभी अपने फैमिली में जी रिश्ते अवार्ड्स हो गए समझो, तो यार सब अवार्ड्स आप ही लेके जाओगे. सुशील बेटा, सुशील पोता, सुशील डैडी, सुशील पति. हमें भी कुछ टिप्स बांटा करो यार, प्लीज 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 बता दो प्लीज.
Malnourished Eddard Stark. I mean, definitely with the wig and beard, he can look, but of course, a very malnourished one.
Lord of Winterfell, the Starks. But no, not Starks really. You're good at manipulating things, so I'll give you my personal favorite, Tyrion Lannister.
Jon Snow. No particular reason as such, it's just that I like Jon Snow.
Lord Peter Baelish, the Littlefinger. The reason is he knows the people's weaknesses. He knows how to use them. He is well planned in advance. Probably the cruelest amongst all of them. His intentions, like you, he can also lie on the face, and no one will probably understand it. So I think he is the key. I don't know when his real intentions will be revealed, say by end of season 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, God knows when. But in your case, I know that your intentions are always good. That's the reason you will always be good. Thank you.
Tyrion Lannister, because just like him, you also play with words so very well that the other person will never know what are your intentions.
Jon Snow, because he's kind-hearted, he's courageous, and he abides by the words that he says. We all know that Jon Snow knows nothing, but here Rajiv Shah, he knows everything.
So, what would Rajiv be if he was not a businessman? Well, I think he would be good at law. Somewhat on the lines of Spectre, Mr. Harvey Specter. But Rajiv, let me just tell you one thing. Learn to think out of the box. Because sometimes it's not just all about suits and suits. Sometimes it's also about short pants too.
Rajiv could be an tech blogger. Yes.
Yeah.
We would have definitely made it big time in an ad agency. I mean, ad business, he's got a creative mind. अच्छा खासा business sense भी है. Plus, he's got a way to work with people, way to work with clients.
Every human being in his lifetime, aims to something, needs to pursue something. So yes, Rajiv, what is it like? What is it that you're looking for? Have you ever got it? Did you ever get it? If you have got it, then let us know what is it. And if you are pursuing it, please also let us know what it is.
Photographer. All the time clicks, 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 clicks. So photographer, it's not a businessman.
હા જો ને તો પછી એવું જ છે. એને કેટલી વાર કીધું પણ સમજતો જ નથી. તું તારી ફ્રેન્ડને કે
બસ
બીજો શું કહેશે?
एक्चुअली राजीव को मिमिक करना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बट द पॉइंट इज वो किसको मिमिक करता है. वो पूरा फ्रेंड्स का मिक्सचर है. ओके, माइनस फीबी माइंड यू, वो पूरा सॉलिड मिक्स करता है, पूरा फ्रेंड्स मिक्स करता है.
Oh, you're already doing it. Okay.
Till now, you have heard only good points which people have said about you, but now sit back and relax, because now the true reality is actually going to come. Now you will see what all hard stuff people have to talk about you. See, whatever they have said, I don't care. If you want to kill them, go ahead, kill them.
Lying.
Lying?
Yeah. It's like, నేను పక్కు అవ్వచ్చు అమెరికా పక్కు అవ్వచ్చు. Now, okay, but wait. On a serious note, one thing I should stop doing is, I wanted him to stop driving his bike. He already stopped that. But
nothing ever does anything that we wish to see.
Continue as you are. You're perfect.
Rajiv, honestly, for the sake of the environment and this planet, you have got to stop buying a new phone every single year. And when you do so, please do not give your second-hand phone to Bhavya. Buy her a new one too.
In my opinion, the only thing he should stop doing is stop using his phone. Because with that, he will probably enjoy life more and not just get onto his phone. So that's the only thing he should stop doing in life. Everything else is perfect.
Your hair black. I mean, what are you turning, 38 or 39 this year? And I mean, I think your hair color should match your age.
Did you know, in a stupid place called Bangistan, a person can be beheaded or go to jail for excessive usage of sarcasm? So if Rajiv ever goes to jail, it's obvious he is super sarcastic. And if you're not wondering why I'm wearing this awesome tie on my head, it's all about wearing your attitude.
If Rajiv were in jail,
yes,
because he keeps breaking his promises. He's like, આજે વિઝા કરાવું, બસ જો કાલે વિઝા કરાવું. હું ભવ્યને હમણાં સાંજના ફોન કરવાનો જ હતો કે તું વિઝાનું એપ્લિકેશન ચાલુ કરને. કે તું જુઠ્ઠું બોલે છે. આ જુઠ્ઠું બોલવાના પાપમાં આ સજા મળશે એને.
Answer would be, you can never be in the jail. A person like you can never ever I never think about you being in the jail. You would be the one to remove someone out of the jail.
I don't think he would ever be in jail. That's slightly hard to believe, and I don't think he should ever be in jail. So that's it.
What quality of Rajiv uncle do you want to have when you grow up?
Vivan says that he wants to be a true gentleman like Rajiv uncle is, and I guess that covers a lot of qualities.
Oh yes, we want.
I love you with all my heart. I idolize you. When I grow up, I want to be just like you.
And his father.
Okay, little bit. But just like you, I want to be a gadget freak. Have all the mobiles in the world ringing.
He seems so scandalized saying all that. Okay.
Thank you, Rajiv Chachu, for giving me so much of love. I love you too, and I wish you all the happiness in the world. Please bring me another companion, please. Love you.
Yeah. His punctuality, his time management and discipline. These were the qualities that which I really wish to have when I grow up.
What do you like to do with your daddy?
I like to go swimming with my dad. And I also like that when he allows me to touch the cutie puppies. I like when daddy is home and I play with the turtles.
Any message for your dada?
Daddy, there's one thing you have to promise me. It is, when I grow up, you will come along with me to the jungle and see all the wild animals. It will be lots of fun. And you have to also promise that we both can go to Tina
Can you tell me one thing that you want your daddy to do?
I want my daddy to play with me more. Why always he sits on the computer? Remember that pottery we had done? I want to do that.
Can you tell me something about your daddy?
Yes. My daddy loves me a lot. He's the world's superstar. I also love him a lot. I love him 100,000,000. Mwah! You my world's superstar, Dad.
Tell me one thing that daddy should stop doing.
Okay. Daddy should not go to office on Sundays. I don't like it. But even sometimes he goes to Pune and Rajasthan and Delhi. I don't like it.
Okay, he doesn't go to Delhi, but yeah, okay, we got your point here.
Happy birthday, Rajiv.
Happy birthday, Rajiv. Here's wishing you a lifetime of love, happiness and togetherness with Bhavya. Thank you for being such an amazing friend to us and a brother, his brother. We love you a lot. You mean the world to us. Thank you for always standing by us through our thick and thin.
Bro, thanks a lot, man, for everything. You are the one person who's always been there with us, and we love you with all our hearts. And you know what, we've really had a lot of fun making all these little videos for you, and I really hope you've enjoyed it as much as we loved making it. Happy birthday to you once again, bro. Have a great year ahead and a lifetime of happiness. We love you.
We love you, Rajiv. Oh, sorry, Rajiv Chachu, I forgot to wish you. I have little memory, but Rajiv Chachu, wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. I love you, and I want to have your cake soon.
Okay.
I wish him lots and lots and lots of love and luck and happiness forever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Once again, I wish that you just live your life, you live it every day. Believe in everything what you do, in each and every activity is what you pursue. Try to make it. Just don't live life. And yes, years after years, keep on getting what you want. You should be so successful that since you're so tech savvy, the latest updated versions, whatever is launched into a market, you don't even have to think twice before, purchasing it. You just keep your hand on it and you get it. Be so successful in your life. It's just gadgets, but yeah, there are many important things like vehicles, precious cars, Audi, Porsche, and a good house. Just get it. All I wish that in these coming years, you just get it what you want and what you deserve.
So Rajiv, happy birthday and have a great year ahead. Loads of love from your old friends.
Wish you happy birthday, Rajiv. Enjoy your day. Go on a holiday and take us also on a holiday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rajiv.
Happy birthday, Rajiv, Mr. RX, as I know you from the beginning. And like I mentioned earlier, we know each other since a long time. Unfortunately, I cannot be there with you at this time, celebrating your birthday together with you. However, my best wishes, my family's best wishes, all for you on your birthday. Hoping you have many more such birthdays to come. Thank you so much for being a great friend.
Happy birthday, Rajiv.
That's Fatima in the background.
Happy birthday. Let this day be full of joy and celebration. I wish you an outstanding and fabulous birthday with very bright and colorful Holi.
Wish you a very happy,
very happy birthday.
very happy birthday, yaar.
Hi Rajiv, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, boss.
Wish you more and more happy moments in life.
More and more trips.
More and more selfies.
And your spectacular more and more captions so that we can have fun reading your captions.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Many happy returns of the day, Rajiv. Enjoy your day. Hope you have a great year ahead. It's great to have you as a friend and brother in my life.
Happy birthday, Rajiv! Mama.
જીવન રહે તારું ખુશીઓથી ભરપૂર પ્રગતિ થાય સફળતાની ભરપૂર આશીષ છે માતા પિતાના તને જન્મદિવસની શુભેચ્છાઓ ભરપૂર હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ રાજીવ.
Happy birthday, Dada. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos.